Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the key requirements in applying for a visa. If you are new here, kindly subscribe and tap on the notification bell to access important videos such as this one. Today's video is sponsored by Ghana with a Tour, the most exciting land tour exploring the 16 regions of Ghana. Make sure to check them out. Let's get into today's video. Letter of introduction. You are wondering where to start from, what to add, what not to add. Anyway, let me take you through the essential components of this document. So the letter of introduction is one of the documents required when applying for a visa. This document is a formal document that provides essential details about the applicant to the visa authorities. This document typically includes the applicant's personal information, such as applicant's name, passport number, nationality, etc., etc. The purpose of their travel. This could be leisure or vacation, a conference or a business meeting. And I must mention that in cases of attending a conference or a business meeting, you would require a letter of invitation from the organizers of the conference or your business partners. If you want details to the letter of invitation, kindly check our subsequent videos. The next factor will be your duration of stay. You would want to take into consideration your financial capability in deciding how long you wish to stay. Next will be proof of finance. Your financial means to support the visit or stay should be clearly stated if the trip is sponsored by another person or business or is self-funded. Hence, the financial statement of sponsor or self. Your travel itinerary. This is a detailed plan or schedule outlining the travel route, activities, and timings for a trip. It typically includes information on destination, accommodation, transportation, and activities planned for each day, helping travelers organize their time effectively and ensure they make the most of their trip. So now, let's put all these together and generate a letter of introduction for a visa application. Please bear in mind that this is just for the purposes of this video. Names and other details used are 100% fictional. Now, Auntie Araba, a businesswoman, wants to go for a vacation. Let's say Turkey. So, she will begin the letter with her address, followed up by the recipient, which in this case is the consular at the Embassy of Turkey. Next would be the title or heading of the letter, and that will be letter of introduction for visa application into bracket tourist visa. After that, Auntie Araba would introduce herself by stating her personal information and the reason she's contacting the counselor. The next information would be to state the purpose of her travel or trip. She would proceed to outline her travel itinerary. Quick tip: please be brief by stating about 2 of the tourist sites you wish to visit and state that you have provided full details of your itinerary in a separate document attached. Next, she would now state who is funding her trip. Very important. And further state her availability and cooperation for any further clarification concerning her visa application. And then finally she signs out. I hope this video was useful to you today. Kindly subscribe, like, and share as it supports us to making more free videos for you. See you in the next one.